Understanding the nature of creation. Understanding the nature of creation is not a complicated task. You, as source energy, who are here for the creation of experience, have a creative process within, which consists of the frequencies and tones that you express, the ideas that you entertain in your mind, and that which you place your attention and your focus on and hold. Therefore, inserting consistently material into the creative process. Your attention is fuel. Your focus is fuel. Your emotions are fuel. The frequencies and tones that you express are the foundation and the coat of that which is manifest. And this is the nature of creation. This is how you go about creating and manifesting constantly every piece and part of your life, every circumstance, every situation that you experience that makes its way into your reality is birthed from the same process. Where you go wrong in the process, where you make your mistakes in the process, is allowing the material to be based on physically manifested reality, is allowing the material to be based on that which you do not want to experience as a result of an experience or having witnessed and experienced by someone outside of yourself. This is where you make your mistake. And humanity has programmed you and so many others to place your attention on that which you do not want. Your armies are built around this premise. Your groups, your teams are built around this premise that you must fight, that you must protect, that you must defend, that you must prepare for that which you must defend against, your enemies, your competition. And this is where you make your mistake. The nature of the idea is rooted in fear. Countrywide, statewide, citywide, township-wide, neighborhood-wide, community-wide, individual life-wide. This is the mistake. And you have been trained this way because of the bigness of the issues that have been perpetuated throughout history, the wars that have been fought. That which has been deemed negative, that which has been deemed tragic occurrences, that which has been deemed detrimental and painful. So therefore, to not experience that which is painful, we must defend. We must prepare to defend. We must do all that we can in preparation in case the worst happens. In case the worst of circumstances comes to fruition. But as a creator who houses a creative process that is based on what you place your attention and your focus on, that is based in the dominant ideas that drive your state of being, that is based in the frequencies, the tones that you are expressing. If you're focusing on that which you do not want, that which you do not desire, that which you abhor, that which you will be damned if you will, then that is exactly what you are creating, and that is exactly what will be manifest in your life, because you are doing everything perfectly right as a creator. It will and is manifest. You speak on these things. to family and friends. You speak on these things to strangers. You think on these things constantly. You have programmed yourself to believe in the possibility because you have seen the experience play out in others' lives. And you know that it is not what you want to experience. Broken relationships, I was cheated on. A life of lack and scarcity, I hate that. A life of obesity, a life of sickness and dis-ease, I do not want that. So I must go and work out and exercise and eat right and do all of these things in defense of sickness and dis-ease. An unhealthy body, in defense of that. We must build our policies, our statutes, our laws in defense of that which we do not want, in defense of crime, in defense of poverty, in defense of hunger. We must build our armies in defense of those who might invade us, in defense of those who we have deemed our enemies. Can you see the inherent problem there? Having deemed entire groups of individuals, human beings, because they live on other continents, other land masses, having deemed a whole segment of the world an enemy. When they inherently are not your enemy, the idea of an enemy is your enemy. The idea of an enemy is creating the enemy. Your attention and your focus on the idea of an enemy is what is creating and birthing and growing the enemy. So now that you as an individual are aware of the fact of the creative process and what you are intending, placing your attention and your focus on, feeling on, speaking on is what is and will be manifest as your reality, you must begin to choose. You must begin to narrowly hone where you place your attention and your focus. And it's as simple as knowing what you want. Forget the ideas that are being perpetuated by the masses. Forget the ideas. Let them go. Any and all ideas that say you must prepare for and defend against that which you do not want in your life as an experience. Because in so doing, you are sowing that very material into the creative process. It's as simple as shifting your attention and your focus to that which you desire. You desire well-being and health. You focus on that. You feel that. You talk about it. You desire wealth and abundance to flow effortlessly. You see it in your mind. You feel it in and through your body. You talk about it. You desire beautiful relationships. You design it. You see it. You feel it. You talk about it. You desire to be a success in your career or in your business, following that which you are inspired to be, do, and have. You see it in your mind. You feel it in your body, and you talk about it. And we can go on and on in every area of life. It's as simple as that. Hone your creative faculties, the faculties within your mind and body, on a single idea. Those ideas that you intend to have expressed and experienced as your reality. No longer allow yourself to prepare or defend or focus on any idea that you do not want. In so doing, you are inserting that material into the creative process, and it will be manifest. as it is probably already manifesting in your life? Why do you keep finding the same type of partner in relationship? Why are you still struggling financially? Why does your weight fluctuate? Even though you have strived to eat correctly, to eat healthy, as you say, and you go to the gym and you work out, you perform your exercises, why do you still struggle with your weight? Because you're not focused on well-being and health. You're focused on being unhealthy, and unhealthy is what is driving you to do all of these things, and yet you still find and wind up at unhealthy, because unhealthy is your focus. Not wanting to be overweight, you're focused on being overweight. That is your focus. That is your end point. That is where you continuously find yourself, no matter what activities you participate in. You can will yourself into a new shape and form of body, but anyway, the minute you release that attention and that focus, you will fall back to the root core of your activities, which is desiring not to be unhealthy, which is desiring not to be obese. You will go right back to it, because that is the dominant idea. That is the truth of your attention and your focus. So to overcome all of this madness, you really set your attention and your focus on that which you want. Giving it all of your attention, giving it all of your energy, utilizing your voice to speak on the experience, utilizing your body to feel the experience in the present moment, and letting go of all thoughts, feelings, ideas of low-level emotion related to that which you do not desire. Let it go. No longer give that idea your attention. No longer focusing on anything that you do not desire. And you will find the shifting occurring. First within your mind and body, you have more consistent feelings and thoughts on that which you desire. And then in time, you will begin to physically, with your physical senses, your outer physical senses, you begin to perceive evidence of your new attention and focus, of your shifted attention and focus beginning to manifest physically. Evidence of your new design on approach, evidence of its truth, of its existence, as closely related pieces and parts of that very design begin to manifest physically. This is how you will know the truth, that you are creator, that you are the source of the light, that you are the center of your reality. We are thankful and grateful for the opportunity to share. We are thankful for the vessel. We are thankful for each of you who are offering fertile ground for these transmissions. We are here for you. From our now non-physical perspective, sharing that which we know to be true, that which we know will release you and catapult you into that which you are, a powerful creator, a powerful manifester. Now, we honor you. We honor you in your choice to participate in this third dimensional reality. We celebrate you. And we love you. We love you. We love you.